Hi, I'm Lark. I'm a digital marketing expert. I've been in this business for 15 years now. I specialize in SEO, but I also help with paid ads and social media. I've been doing this a long time. You can see I have lots of jobs done here, lots of hours, and lots of happy clients. I have a 99% job success rate. So I've helped businesses from starting up to global national companies making millions of dollars. You all have to start somewhere, and SEO is a great way to go from zero to lots of traffic and leads. Not overnight, obviously, it takes time 30 to 60 days, 3 to 6 months. It depends on your target keywords and your competition. I like to go over that in the initial assessment if we do decide to work together. I'm just sharing some of my testimonials, lots of testimonials, reviews on Upwork, as well as for my main site. Lots of case studies here. Again, everything ranges from local contracting business to a lighting store. So I can help pretty much any niche. Usually the typical plan is to do on-site work, so fixing the titles, the metas, and many on-site factors, and then moving forward with keyword placement, making sure those are optimized on your site correctly, looking into your competitors, seeing what they're ranking for and where we can kind of capitalize on those keyword gaps and backlink gaps, and then building a strong backlink plan to help your site get visible in the search engines. So I just wanted to share a quick video on who I am and let me know if I can help you. I'd like to start with a free audit and then we can go from there. Thank you.